In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate text in Adobe Illustrator, whether you want to rotate it freely with your mouse or enter a precise angle like 90 degrees for perfect alignment. This is a simple skill, but it's incredibly important when you're designing logos, social media graphics, posters, or any kind of layout that requires angle typography. By the end of this video, you'll know both the quick method and the exact rotation method, so you can work faster and more accurately. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Let's get started. First, open your Illustrator project and make sure you have some text on your artboard. If you haven't created text yet, simply select the Type tool, click anywhere on your artboard, and type your text. Once your text is ready, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. This is important because rotation works when the object itself is selected, not when you're actively editing the text. Click on the text to select it. You'll see a bounding box appear around it. This box allows you to scale, resize, and rotate your text. Now, here's the quick and easy way to rotate it freely. Move your cursor slightly outside one of the corner points of the bounding box. Don't click directly on the corner handle. Instead, hover just outside it. When you do this correctly, your cursor will change into a curved double arrow. That curved arrow indicates the rotate function. Once you see the curved rotate arrow, click and drag. As you drag your mouse around the object, the text will rotate freely in whichever direction you move. This method is perfect when you're experimenting with angles or just visually adjusting the design until it feels right. You can rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, and you'll see a small angle preview as you move. Now, if you want more control while still dragging manually, hold down the Shift key while rotating. When you hold Shift, Illustrator will constrain the rotation to 45-degree increments. That means your text will snap to 0, 45, 90, 135 degrees, and so on. This is extremely helpful when you need clean, consistent angles without guessing. For example, if you want perfectly vertical text, just hold Shift and rotate until it snaps to 90 degrees. That covers the free rotation method. But what if you need an exact angle, like precisely 27 degrees, or exactly 90 degrees for a layout requirement? That's where the precise rotation method comes in. Start by selecting your text again using the Selection tool. Make sure the object is selected. Then go to the top menu and click on Object. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform, and then choose Rotate. This will open the Rotate dialog box, which gives you complete numerical control. Inside the dialog box, you'll see a field labeled Angle. Here, you can type in the exact rotation value you want. For example, enter 90 degrees if you want the text perfectly vertical. You can also enter negative values if you want to rotate in the opposite direction. After entering your desired angle, click OK, and Illustrator will apply that exact rotation instantly. One useful tip here is that you can also click Preview in the dialog box before pressing OK. This allows you to see the rotation applied in real time while the dialog box is still open. If it doesn't look right, just adjust the number until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Now you know how to rotate text in Illustrator using both the quick drag method and the precise angle method. The drag method is great for creative flexibility, and the transform rotate option is perfect for accuracy and professional layouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.